Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to Financify YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your payment method in this Binance app, so make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Binance app, and now once you open it, and make sure you are already logged in as well. And now right after that you will be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Binance app on in the screen, where you can see there is a wallets option, which is distinguishable by its wallet logo, which is at the bottom right corner of this dashboard. So let's tap on that wallets, and now make sure you are in the overview section. So you can see there is a buy crypto option at the middle of this screen, which is at the right side of this P2P. So let's tap on that buy crypto, and now you can change your cryptocurrency by tapping on the USDT. And if you want to change your payment method, then simply tap on the pay with, and you can see there is a two payment method. First one is card and another one is Apple Pay. So you can also see there is a region option, which is at the right side of the P2P trading. So you can also change your region by tapping on it. So you can see there is a country/region and lots of region over here. So let's close this one, and now once you choose, then simply tap on the confirm, and you will be able to change your payment method successfully. So basically this is how you can change your payment method in this Binance app. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this pretty helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.